Hello friends, today I am gonna tell you about jobs vacancy in Indian Oil. Indian Oil's company is producing jobs monthly. You can check it in online, and you can see in the screen regarding jobs, recruitment of engineer officer and engagement of graduate apprentice engineers through GATE 2020. So you can apply for engineering vacancies using GATE score 2020. And second vacancy is recruitment of assistant officer in finance function 2020. Okay, so friends, we have two set of vacancies. One is engineer for having GATE scorecard, and second one is accountants, and there is some eligibility criteria. So let me tell you what else the procedure and how to apply. So first I am gonna tell you about the recruitment of engineers through GATE. So you can follow me. See, this is a notification, detailed advertisement regarding recruitment of engineers and graduate apprentice. Okay, so I'm gonna click this. So you can check out this notification, join Indian Oil, be part of nation building. So in this they will give you the eligibility criteria for being an engineer to Indian Oil. So I will tell you. See, the fuel for this chemical engineering, civil engineer, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer can apply. Okay. Additionally, selection of few candidates from our discipline shall also be done as an encouragement as graduate apprentice engineering in line with the Apprenticeship Act. So if anyone has been selected, can be used as an engineer and also apprentices based on I think based on their qualifications and knowledge they will select. So only Indian people can apply, and the GATE exam should be passed. 2019 GATE score will not be considered. And see, you can see here clearly candidates are essentially qualified 2020, and the code also has been given for chemical CH and for civil CE, electrical WE, mechanical ME. So okay, and age limit, and depending upon the category, OBC 3 years, SC/ST 5 years, PW, the BD 10 years. So age limit should be maximum 26 years as on 30th June. So if you are coming under this category, you can have the age limit relaxation 3 years. So for OBC category, non-creamy layer, if your age is 29, you can apply. And SC/ST, if your age is 31 also you can apply. And PWBD, if your age is 36 also you can apply. Consequently, you can add up with this 5 plus 26 and 5 plus 26. Age limit relaxation is nothing but extension of age limit for that particular category people. And education qualification, here they have given the candidate should be completed full-time course. If you are not completed, you have to get the last mark, last exam attend. And see, you can come study this eligible, and minimum marks in qualification 65% OBC general EWS category, and those people who was very PWBD category and SC/ST can get 55%. It's also applicable. So don't fear, get friends. SC/ST people can also apply. So you have good opportunity, friends. And what else you have to know is, and you have to, if this asking any mark in percentage, you have to convert it in percentage with the CGPA given in your college. So you have to get those conversion formula, and also you have to bring the conversion formula if you have been shortlisted to the interview area. You understand me? So I hope you can read this fully. I will give these notifications in my link and go through. And where you can apply is here. If you go to the Indian Oil page, I will give this link also. You can just come to apply, click apply online. It will take to a page like this, and here you have to give your GATE scorecard, date of birth, and you have to enter these things, and you can register. And after register, another page will open with your user ID password. There you can check, you can get application form, and you can apply. And this is cost free. This registration is cost free. If you're shortlisted in online with your GATE score, you will call for interview, right? It's very simple. And what else I'm going to tell you is, see, the another notification is for the recruitment of assistant officer in finance function. I will give this link also. The person who are intermediate CMA or CA can apply, and you have to be a 3 years of relevant experience in finance function. Okay, you can see here 3 years of relevant experience, and relevant field includes, okay, and these are eligibility criteria. 40,000 is your month salary, and maximum 30 years of age 2020, and selection methodology service board, okay, and executive bonds corporation minimum period 3 years from date of joining. Selected candidates will be having executive bond to serve the corporation for minimum period of 3 years. From the minimum at least you have to serve for 3 years. You should not say I'm 2 years old, okay, I cannot say, you can't say that. So concession relaxations, you can see it. See, this is very simple. You can read it out, and how to apply also they given. It's very simple. See, once again I will see. This is the registration link. I will give this also. Assistant officer in finance function. You just enter your mail ID and mobile number. You will get a password, and you can come and log in application. You can give and fill. Everything is free of cost. Okay, you have to keep that in mind. Okay friends, thank you, and please subscribe. I will try to provide more jobs on daily basis, and both central government, private, and I will conduct more job opportunity in future coming with Naukri and in LinkedIn. So please be contact with me, and I hope this channel will become a very famous channel in future, as I'm gonna put more job requirements in detail with the links. So better you join as earlier, so you can get more jobs as prematurely. And also please subscribe and click like buttons, and if you have any doubt, can ask me doubts in comment box. And thank you for your patience, and continue your kindness. Thank you.